Hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. My name is Marek and today I will be unboxing this Bentley Mulsanne Midnight color 1-43 by Minichamps. And actually this is just a small box, and why I purchased this one because I'm quite running out of space here in my flat, and I also wanted to do something a little bit different, so smaller scale. And let me just quickly unbox this. So it looks very beautiful actually. Here we can see this Bentley beautiful logo all over the box. So here is 1, 2 and here 1-43 scale model. Okay, and here we also have some details. So what do we have here? Midnight Emerald, so that's the color, bentleycollection.com. It was actually manufactured in China under the license of Bentley Motors, and yeah, it's actually again suitable only for everybody who achieved 14 years of age. Okay, so that's it. Maybe also here it's by Minichamps, and I think Minichamps is quite a good brand. And now let me just open the box finally. So here we go. Okay, well, maybe before we check the model, more than just a model, this is an what's that? You can maybe read it, yeah. So if you want to read it, you can just pause the video and read it. Now I will not do it, so just let's go directly to the model itself. Okay, so it has a big transparent box, and I don't know why they provided this square box. Yeah, sometimes it's always rectangular, but here it's square, and I don't know why it's so wide. Yeah, it could be much smaller, and if you are collecting 1-43 models, then this box is too big. Yeah? But hopefully you can also remove it here. So there is one screw holding the car inside, and you can also remove it. Okay, so now let me very gently remove it. I will put it here aside, and then we can see already the model itself. So as I said, 1-43, very small, and it's quite detailed. Maybe you remember when I reviewed this Bentley Mulsanne 1-18 scale by Rastar models. Okay, here we go. Wow, nice. I like it. Okay, so let's see if this was worth $45. And I will also give you a link to below the video, so you can check it out to compare it. But here, look at that. So maybe also to use this tool, the front grille, it's so tiny, but it looks like perforated. It's very beautiful, so detailed. Also here the license plate, it only says Bentley. I would prefer if there would be Bentley Mulsanne or Mulsanne, not just Bentley. And then we have the headlights, and maybe let me check how deep they are. So the depth is quite okay, and I would also say that there is another like air intake here with a small grille, and it also looks very good. But back to the lights, I only think that this side light here, the framing is maybe too large, too big. I mean, here it's still okay because it's a big headlight, but for the smaller one, it could be maybe a little bit smaller. Then the logo, and here actually you can see that it's quite visible. It's a Bentley logo with the wings. Very nicely done, and I must say that also the color it's perfect. You know, it's so shiny. You can also see here the wipers. I will not even touch it with this tool because I don't want to scratch anything, but you can see that the wipers are really there. And now when we have the side view, the wheels and the tires, they look quite okay. And there is also this small piece here. It's also some kind of Bentley logo, and it's also quite beautifully done. What I appreciate very much are all the chrome trims, like all around the windows we can see it, and it's quite beautifully done. Yeah, also the door handles are quite perfect. I'm a little bit hesitant to touch it. Yeah, maybe I will not touch it at all. What is also very nice and good is that we have also the side mirrors here, which are quite tiny and very nicely done. Of course, you cannot open anything. I have seen some 1-43 models where you could open at least the hood or the trunk. On this one, unfortunately, you cannot do anything, but that's the price you pay when you purchase 1-43 models, because they are small and it would be so difficult to really produce them with everything being able to open it. Okay, so here, maybe let me check the interior if we can somehow. Maybe, yeah, it's not so visible, it's so, because it's so, here. Now we can see a little bit the transmit. No, it's the, I don't even see the steering wheel, but obviously everything, from this, it's on the other side. Okay. This is the English version, with the steering wheel being on the right side. Okay, no wonder I was not able to find it. I didn't expect that I would buy this rear wheel drive or right side wheel. Okay, so that's the English version. No worries, I can accommodate that. Oh, wow, okay, that was unexpected, but everything is there inside. Okay, even here on this glass you can see on the top there are the red stripes. That's the heating. Yeah, very nice detail, I like it. And then the rear part, actually here, the Bentley license plate, it's quite deep inside. I don't know, it could be here, this part with the license plate, it should be more shallow when I compare it to the 1-18 model. Then we have again this nice Bentley logo and the lights. Again, the framing, yeah, the framing is maybe too big and could be a little bit smaller. Then here we have the gas tank door. Yeah, quite good. And from this angle you can also see the metallic color, so it's very nice black color with some metallic small pieces. Yeah, very beautiful. And then we have two exhausts here, but unfortunately, yeah, here they are not perforated, so unfortunately they don't look so realistic, because in my opinion they could be empty inside, not filled with plastic. But what else can we do? Okay, so that's the model. I will not unattach it because I want to keep it here in this box, and I also want to protect it from dust. And I think the only way how to protect it is to really put it back inside, cover it, and this is how it will stay. Okay, maybe you can see that there are already some particles of dust like here inside, and that's something that you cannot avoid. So once this is out, there will always be dust, and maybe next time when I will review a small tiny model like this, I will not even open it. But on the other side, I want to show you all the details, and when I show it to you through the glass, it's not so nice, and there's also reflection like of everything else, and I want to show you just the model. Okay, so that's it. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time with my next video. Thank you, and bye bye.